Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to exchange BTC to USDT in Binance. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, by the way, if you haven't signed up for a Binance account, or even if you do, go ahead and click the link in the comments below or in the description. And by doing so, you'll be able to earn an exclusive lifetime 20% fee discount and a $100 bonus. Okay. And also it will support the channel. So going back in here, just go ahead over to the top left and then just tap on the three horizontal lines or the Binance app icon. And here, tap on more services. Now use the search bar and type in convert. Okay, tap on it, or you could also choose convert recurring. Okay, now you could always choose from instant, recurring, and limit. Okay, for example, under instant, we have USDT. Tap on the drop down right here. Okay, make sure to select, use the search bar, Bitcoin. We have Bitcoin in here. If you can't find it, just type in BTC. Okay, select Bitcoin and on to tap on the drop down. Okay, gonna find USDT. And in here, just go ahead and type down the Bitcoin amount. All right, for example, 1. Now, once done, here will be the conversion. Okay, just wait for it. And then you can now go ahead and hit on preview. Okay, and once done, as you can see here, it says increase BTC in my case, but yours might be different. It'll be able to see convert in here. Just tap on convert, and after that, you're good to go. All right, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.